bad that you cancelled the class in a way because I couldn't come.
Even I feel
5th November, 51 ki versus.
So bad that
And then you can't come.
I mean, I can't come. Now I believe 2 weeks there's a break for all classes.
For all classes. I don't know about Wednesday class. At least I'll not be taking it.
Okay.
I'll have to ask Anand Gopal Prabhu his plan.
So Anand Gopal Prabhu is not going to take the Wednesday class anymore.
He will take. Surely. Right now, just 2 weeks he was busy, so I've been taking it.
And what about tomorrow's class, the overview?
That's on.
Normal class?
Normal class.
It's not a test?
Oh yeah, half will be a test, half will be.
I missed that
regular
7.8 shloka. My cousin told me it was too good, Kavita. Like God is like water.
Rasoham apsukante. Yeah.
She said you missed it. I couldn't make it last week. I had to go
You
to
take the
work for my
recording.
mother-in-law.
Take the recording. No?
From where will I get it?
Yeah. We have it in our office.
I missed that first of 7th also to take that.
First.
So how can I write the test? I didn't attend any of the class.
chapter, huh?
Yeah?
I missed the whole 6th chapter, and I missed half of the 5th
Even
one.
I have missed a
I was
lot.
out. I think
I can
missed,
pick up the recordings.
I think,
Absolutely.
I picked up. I think I missed 6 weeks of Tuesday.
Oh.
You know, na, she started.
And Wednesday.
We started
Both
one
Tuesday
more
and Wednesday.
Overview
from the
Thursday.
first chapter.
Thursday.
So whatever you've missed, you just
You
keep
can just
covering
come.
there. Yeah, just drop
I
it.
started coming on Thursday.
Okay, no, because I've missed a few chapters. I was wanting to ask you if I can just drop in those classes.
Anytime. I'll keep announcing when we're starting new chapters on Tuesday also.
So you write it on your thing now, so I understand that. Now you
Yeah,
said
yeah.
chapter 1.
Yeah. We have a same group actually on B. We have not made a separate group for Thursday.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Keep it the same. Huh?
But we have different people, no, for Thursday.
Yeah, a lot of them. I keep messaging them separately and then I keep
We were
forgetting
just
someone.
discussing. I said we have a lot of new people and not aware of
Mixed,
the
mixed,
subject.
yeah. It's all mixed crowd. We'll do our revision backwards.
Yeah, I think so.
10.41 was what we did last year. Yad Vibhuti
So we
Satvam.
finished till.
Bij,
We
bij.
finished till which?
Sarva Yonishu
Yeah, we
Konteyas.
finished Sarva Unit.
That is which chapter? 14.4. Yeah, that numbering is wrong in my thing. So 14.4 and then we'll go backwards for a revision. We'll start. 14.4. Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murtayah Sambhavanti Yaha Tasam Brahma Mahadyonin Aham Bija Pradah Pita. 10.41. Yad yad vibhuti matsattvam Shrimadurjitameva va tad tad evavagachatvam mama tejosha sambhavam. Next. You can tell me the numbers so I remember.
10.11.
10.11. Yeah. We'll do the 8, 9, 10, 11 together because that's like
Okay. I missed
Gita
all of that,
Sar,
so
yeah,
I'm
Gita
totally
Sar.
clueless.
10.8, 9, 10, 11. 10.8, start. Aham sarvasya prabhavo yata sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. 10.9, start. Tamadgata prana bodhayantah parasparam kathayantashcha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. 10.10. Teshamev satayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. 10.11, start. Tesham evanukam patham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashyami atma bhavasto jnana deepena bhasvata. Now backwards.
9.27.
9.27, start. Yakaroshi yadashnasi yajjoshi dadasi yat yattapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Next. Param pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti paharitam ashnami 9.22 Madhusam. ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. What's the next one?
9.13.
9.13. Start.
महात्मानस्तु
मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. Next is
9.11.
9.11. Start. अवजानन्ति मां मूढा मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम् परं भावम् अजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्.
9.2.
राजविद्या राजगूह्यम् पवित्रमिदमुत्तमम् प्रत्यक्षावगमम् धर्म्यम् सुसुखम् कर्तुमव्ययम्. 8.28. वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपः चैव दानेषु यत्पुण्यफलम् प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदम् विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्. 8.6. यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावम् त्यजत्यन्ते कलेवरम् तं तं एवैति कौन्तेय सदा तद्भावभावितः. Just the previous verse. 8.5. अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरम् यः प्रयाति समद्भावम् याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः. 7.14. दैवी एषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. 7.7. मतः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतम् सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. 7.3. मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन् मामेति तत्त्वतः. 6.6. बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैनात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. 5.29. भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम् सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति. Next is 5.18. 22.
Sorry.
ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः. This will be November and December, please.
November.
Because November 2 weeks
How
we
does
won't
it
have
matter?
class. December again we'll break
How
for
does it
Christmas.
matter? How does it matter?
No, this is a policy for all classes.
Okay, and December, when do you have break?
Last 2 weeks. Last week we'll be taking.
Only 1 week.
Yeah.
Good. My son is here. Last week of December, first week of Jan, he's here. So.
Yeah. So this is November and December, please both.
Okay.
5.18. विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनी चैव श्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. 4.34. तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. 4.11 ये मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. 4.9 जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन. 4.8 परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. 4.7 यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. 4.6 अजोऽपि सन् अव्यय आत्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया. Last line again. सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया. 4.2 एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप. 3.27 प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः सर्वाणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहम् इति मन्यते. That is 3.13. यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तो मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वगम् पापा ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात्. 2.62 and 63 together. Start. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् सम्मोहति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Then it is 2.59. विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तन्ते. 2.41 व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर् एकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाखायनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्. Next 2.40 नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमपि यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Next is 2.20 न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. 2.14 मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यास्तां तितिक्षस्व भारत. 2.13 देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति 2.7 कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचिताः यत् श्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम् 1.1 धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत संजय. You turn to 4.26.
Or 14 point.
Yeah, 14.26.
You know, at that Sangeeta's husband death, I kept saying this. I forgot the shlok, but I kept saying this: as a soul passes
Continuously
into another
passes.
body, a bewildered person is not a sober person
Not
is not
bewildered,
but it's so difficult when you actually have to do. I kept telling myself, a sober person is not bewildered by such a thing. You know, like how you have to keep telling yourself.
Actually, that's why we do this rote repetition. Even in cultures.
Remember the shloka, and I wanted to say it in my mind, you know, but I just couldn't remember it. And I remembered the translation.
It's good. The meaning is more important than the shloka. I'm glad you remembered the. मेरा तो उल्टा होता है. I remember the shloka and I don't remember the meaning. 14 point. No, I think one more will come. Rakhi, because she.
Yeah, Rakhi said she's coming.
Saloni.
Keeping 2 weeks in the place alone.
She got initiated. Her name is Yugala Rati now.
Huh?
Yugala Rati.
Satish was very similar.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Extension of
Yeah.